recipe, the 300 LA control. Take a look inside. Everything's nice and clean with the turret, tailstock, 15-inch chuck, Kitagawa. It's got a LNS conveyor system. Take a look around the back. It's the hydraulics unit, so it's got a chiller unit for all the hydraulics. Take a look inside the electrical cabinet. Obviously it's only a couple of years old, so everything looks pretty much brand new. We have this piece of sheet metal off, probably just from installing the oil separator. Just didn't put it back on yet. It allows us also to get to the ID OD grips to change that for different jaw positions. It's got a Royal Mist oil separator filter, suction right there. You can put a baffle right there to eliminate more chips and stuff from getting in there. We haven't had an issue though. Touch presetter. Here we go. Guess we can run through a program real quick to see. When you push and hold the manual change, you go one at a time, just like that.